There's a possibility that this year's iPhones are getting USB-C. I know. The silk white OnePlus 6 is back, but it may run out soon. And for those of you that have been waiting, Fortnite is finally available for the Switch. I'm Jaime Rivera, and dear Epic Games, why is there no Fortnite for Android? Like, seriously. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today have to do with deals if you're in the market for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Continues to be one of my favorite phones. It is currently available at eBay for $600, which is definitely a steal, but as always there is a catch. You don't get a warranty for reasons we don't understand. Anyways, let us know in the comments who is in need of an After the Buzz video of the Galaxy Note 8. I am. Now let's talk about that silk white OnePlus 6. For those of you that already got your software updates and you can already do the selfie portraits, I haven't been able to try them out just yet, but I will. Most important, if you want that silk white, it is currently available, but you better move quick. You know that it is a limited edition. It is a gorgeous phone. Yeah, the price ranges depend on which unit you go for, but it is still OnePlus. It is still affordable. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Nintendo Switch and E3, as Nintendo pretty much stole the show. For those of you that have been looking forward to Fortnite on the Switch, it is available for download today. And then the reason why I'm wearing this t-shirt, Super Smash Bros. Has already been teased for December. I can't wait to try that one out as well. But yeah, Fortnite, let's give it a try. Now let's talk about OPPO. Believe it or not, we have been talking about the Find series for years. No Find 9. When is it going to happen? The company has just teased the Find X or Find 10, whatever that name is going to be. It's an event that's happening in Paris next week. It looks a lot like the OnePlus 6, which is great. Apparently this one is going to include a telephoto lens instead of the, just the depth sensor, which is great. We've got VOOC rapid charging, etc. And apparently it'll be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. So this is a great flagship. Can't wait to see more of it. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the iPhone X 2018 and USB-C. Part of the rumors of the iPhone X for last year were that we were getting USB-C. I know, it's a mess if you're an Apple user right now, as there are so many different connectors. USB-C would be great. And apparently one of the major reasons for the update is because Apple wants to use a faster charging protocol, so that would be great. I don't think it's going to happen. And in today's question, let us know. What do you think? Vote it up. You think it's going to happen or you think it won't? I think that Apple has so many companies locked on that made for iPhone through Lightning that it won't. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. Also let us know, would you care for the difference? Because I would. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our thoughts on the always connected PC down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.